In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your CN or China server account on reverse 1999. As you can see, I'm already inside the China server game. The first step that you have to do is to head inside this main menu or this three-lined icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. After clicking this, you will see this gear icon, which is the sixth icon in this tab. Click this and then you will see here these tabs. I want you to click this first tab since it is in China's character, and then click the button in it. Here you will see the account management tab or interface where you can finally delete your account. This is the last tab or the delete account button. Just click the delete account, then click the next button. Once you're sure in confirming of the deletion of your account, just click the next button and confirm it. And that's it. That's how you can delete your CN or China server account in reverse 1999, and thank you for listening.